There are other windows here in the VBE that we're going to be using a little bit later on for errors and debugging. And those windows are the immediate window, the locals window, and the watch window. To access the immediate window, you could either go up to the View menu and select Immediate Window, or you can press Control G on the keyboard, and you'll notice that the immediate window pops up down there at the bottom of the screen, although you can float it by clicking and dragging it away from the bottom of the screen and place it where you want. Now, what the immediate window does is it allows you to check the results of individual lines of code. So you could just go into that little window down there at the bottom, type in a little bit of code, and press Enter to execute it, and then see if you get the results that you expect. So you type the code down there, and then you'll get immediate evaluation of that statement. The other window that I mentioned is called the Locals window. And like all the other windows, you can access that by going up to View, and then down to Locals window. That one does not have a keyboard shortcut. And you'll see that it popped up down there on the bottom right-hand side of my screen. It's sharing the bottom portion of the screen right now with the immediate window, but of course, again, I can drag it wherever I want. And the locals window is going to display the name, the value, and the type for any declared variables that we have in a procedure. And we'll talk about variables a little bit later on. But this is a really good window to have when you're debugging. And then the last window that I mentioned is called the watch window. And if you've ever used the watch window inside of your Excel workbooks, it's pretty similar here inside of Visual Basic. I'm going to go up to my View menu and then click on Watch Window. It even has the same icon for it. The watch window is going to allow you to monitor the variable or expression that you actually add to the watch, just like it does with your spreadsheets. And again, we're going to explore all of these windows a little bit further on in our course.